Yeah. If you push too many, you'll hang up on me, though.
Oh.
That's okay. I'll call you back.
Okay, now let's read your book.
When you got out of the tub, you got your jammies on?
Okay, hold on. It's story time.
Hey.
Okay, so it's show and tell day, and we're going to learn about each other's families. Molly, you may go first. Can you turn the page? You do it. Here. Here, Sailor. She wants to talk on the phone.
Okay.
Here.
Yes?
Don't push the buttons.
I know, Sweet Pea. You can talk. If you push the buttons, you're going to hang up on your ammo.
Go, go, go!
She muted her.
Your book? Bedtime story before you go? Night night? Yeah. That's a very nice time of the day, isn't it? Getting a book. Mommy, Daddy, sitting with you. Reading a book. Uh-huh.
Hi.